our experiences, our actions are something which is defined by the way we see it, by our perception. So, perception is more than just an opinion, it's an ability to turn something which is ordinary to extraordinary, the challenges into lessons, the setbacks into growth. Even after thousands of failure, a person with a fixed perception would have given up. Every failure, every big incident that happened in our life gives us this peace. And it's totally in our hand how we want to arrange it. So, in the end, it all comes down that the way we see the things is the way we lead our lives. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी, कभी है धूप जिंदगी. These are the lines of a very popular song, Kal Ho Na Ho, which I think most of you would have heard. Even I have written these lines in my personal diary. These lines talk about how the life keeps on changing. Sometime is sunshine, whereas sometime is shade. But have you ever thought that what really causes those changes? Is it the life itself that keeps on changing, or is it the way we see it that changes everything? A little confusing, I know. But don't worry, let's just make this fun. Okay? So, here on your screen, you have an image, and I just want you to take a moment and then tell me what exactly you're able to see. Like, might be two, just tell me one. Okay? So, can you just. Two faces. Okay, I got one answer. Anything else? A vase. Okay. So you can either see a vase, you can see two faces. That just totally depend on what you are focusing on or what you are looking at. You'll get to know why I'm doing this. Actually, I'm not feeling like to directly dive straight into my topic. So just to make you more familiar with it, I'm going to tell you a small but a very interesting story. Okay? So once upon a time, there was an interviewer and he asked a question to a gathering of people. He asked that how long it will take you to buy a BMW. So there was a doctor, he said, "Sir, it will take me like 6 to 8 months of practice and I'll be able to." There was an MBA person, he said, 11 to 12 months, that's enough. The engineer said that 1 to 2 years of great hard work and then I'll be able to. Now, Mr. Ratan Tata was also there in that gathering. So he said, I'll be taking at least 5 years, but more than that. So everybody was shocked, like all of us, that why 5 years, sir? Yeah, you are such a rich person. So he replied that, well, it's not an easy thing. BMW is a very big company. So I guess you know it that he was not talking about buying a single car. He was talking about buying the whole company. So from this story and the activity we did, one thing is very clear that our experiences, our actions are something which is defined by the way we see it, by our perception. And that's what I'm here to discuss about. I, Avni Tyagi, the student of grade 10 of Mount Litwa Z School, Roorkee, is here to discuss. It's all in how you see it, the power of perception. Now, first, in a very obvious question, that what is perception? So, perception is, what should I say? It's just like a lens which help you to view the whole world. Just like a camera lens which help you to, zoom in, zoom out, shift focus, change filters. In the same manner, our mind adjusts the things. Okay, so perception is more than just an opinion. It's an ability to turn something which is ordinary to extraordinary, the challenges into lessons, the setbacks into growth. Whether it's a person, problem, or an opportunity, the way you look at it can completely change its meaning. Believe me. Alright, so now as we know that our experiences can be shaped by the way we see the things. So let me introduce you to a girl. So there was a girl and she has been an overthinker like a lot of times. Like most of us, the teenagers, the young leaders must be relating to that. So this habit troubled her a lot. And she gradually started to notice a pattern that whenever she is happy, after being sad, that problem seemed to be so small to her. कि इतनी सी तो बात थी. As if she was overreacting to it. Right, this happens with every one of us. So what she did, whenever she fell down the next time, she asked herself that why are you feeling that way? And the answer often came out to be because you are choosing to see it that way. You are feeling that way because you are choosing to see it that way, and this realization just shifted her entire mindset. Now the easiest question, that can you guess who the girl is? She's standing right in front of you. That's me. My mom got it. So, but now think about the bigger picture. Can a slight change in our perception change the way we see the things? Like, can it alter our future? So the answer is going to be a loud yes. It can. Of course it can. Take Thomas Edison for example. Even after thousands of failure, a person with a fixed perception would have given up. कि मैं नहीं बना रहा बल्ब, कोई और बना लेगा, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. But what Thomas Edison said was that I've not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. And this led to one of the most significant inventions in the history, the light bulb. नहीं तो अभी अंधेरे में हो रही होती यहाँ पे talks, right? So now this brings us to a question again that how? ठीक है, हमारी सोच बदलने से बहुत कुछ बदल सकता है, लेकिन हम सोच कैसे बदलें? How can we change the way we see the things? So for that, I have got something very simple for you. So though interesting. So first step is this. You know, when we focus on this hourglass, the sand grain falling in this hourglass, we are staying in present. So all I'm asking you is to stay present about yourself. Observe your thoughts, observe your actions, your way to find the solutions, your way to react to the problems. And that's enough. Okay, so just observe yourself. So first step is going to be practice mindfulness. This is mindfulness. All right. Now, second thing is this mirror. What a mirror does scientifically is, it takes the light from a source, absorbs it a bit, and then reflects it. This is what it does, right? So just take this mirror as positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences, take their positivity, absorb it, and reflect back to some others, because that is going to help you to see a single situation from different ways. Because you'll be having that attitude like, I'm calm, I'm positive, I can tackle that problem. Alright, the second is promote positivity. Say after me, because I think everybody's feeling sleepy. Okay, so promote positivity. Alright, now last one and my personal favorite one is this. So I have created it. So let me tell you, it's a puzzle piece. So, you know, every failure, every big incident that happened in our life gives us this piece. And it's totally in our hand how we want to arrange it. We want to arrange it in such a manner that it gives a messy, chaotic image, or in such a manner that it gives us a complete version of ourselves, the best version of ourselves. So, try to arrange it in as many ways possible. That will help you to grow. So, last one is pursue growth. So, these are the three magical P's: practice mindfulness, promote positivity, and pursue growth. And these are enough to change the way you see the things. Alright. So in the end, it all comes down that the way we see the things is the way we lead our lives. So I leave you all with a quote that shift your perception and you'll shift your reality. Thank you everyone.